Another great feature about ScanNcut is the built-in designs that come equipped with the machine. There are over 500 designs as well as 5 fonts and a bunch of different phrases for you to pick from to create your craft projects. Now, if you are one of those that don't feel comfortable with drawing out your own designs, this is perfect for you. Let's take a look at some of the designs that ScanNcut has already on it. You'll notice here that you have shapes, designs, words, borders, fonts, as well as quilting designs. Within each different category, you'll see subcategories that have different definitions of any designs that you may need. I want to look for the crown that we have on this card. Here it is here. With using the crown, you can also change the width and height. If I want it to be smaller, I can go down. Or if I want it to be larger, maybe take up the full page, I can cut it out. With ScanNcut, I can make it as small or as large as I'd like to, depending on what my crafting need is. Let's cut this one out just to see how it looks in this large format. I'm going to set it. Okay. And now cut. Let me unload my paper here. This would be a great addition to any little girl's room. You can use it for home decor, or you can just use it for parties, great decorations. Having the versatility of making it smaller or larger just helps you be able to personalize things with your own design. Now, taking this step further, you can use these built-in designs to customize them to what you need by using the ScanNcut welding function. What the welding function is taking 2 or more different designs or elements, putting them together to create your own custom design. This card here is using a few different designs to create this background. I took 2 of the flourishes and a rectangle to create this background and cut it out of a really thick chipboard, glittered chipboard to make that really nice custom glittery background. Let's take a look at how the welding function works on ScanNcut. To create your welding, what you want to do is grab a few different designs. Let's grab a square here. We'll set it there. And I want to add more shapes, so I'm going to press the Add button. And let's just grab some flowers to add to this. I want to make the flowers a little bit smaller, that way they can just kind of outline the rectangle. Now let's add 3 flowers. Okay, taking this square, let's take these flowers and just place them around the rectangle to where they're touching the rectangle. You want it to where the rectangles and the flowers are intersecting so that when we weld them together, they will actually become one shape and you'll be able, all of the internal lines will disappear. Okay. Now that we have all of our shapes together, we can group them as a whole, hit OK, and down below you'll see 2 different options. This option on the right is Unify. This option works if you want to take this item and move it around and keep it unified as a whole. What option we're going to use is right here, which is the weld. And this will actually take the flowers and weld it into that square. And now I can use this as a custom mounted for photos, or I can use it as a bookmark, or even patch quilting or applique. So a lot of different fun things that you can do from this. So here is a great example of how you can take the preloaded designs and now making them your own with the welding function.
Now that I have my design welded, all put together, I'm going to cut it out, but this time I'm going to cut it out of a thicker glittered cardstock. My glittered cardstock, like I said, it's a really nice, sturdy, has a little bit of a texture to it. It's on a thick, kind of a thin chipboard. Okay, let's unload this. And I'm going to just peel it off here. This would make a great little sign for a birthday party or a placeholder for a table. Anything that you could think of, this gives you that capability in a nice, simple, user-friendly way to now create your own artwork from the artwork that's on the machine.